Hi, welcome to Draw with Pex. Welcome to your daily dose of drawing with me. We're focusing on the animal series at the moment, and today we're going to be doing the letter F for. So, if you can have your paper's portrait for me, we're going to start with his head, and it's going to be an oval. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to focus on like a rugby ball, basically. So we're going to do a rugby ball shape in the middle. Okay, so that's going to be the shape of his face because he's a froggy. And then I just want you to make the top part just ever so slightly a little bit wider. All right, so we're there. Either side, I want you to add a tennis ball. So 2 circles either side like that. And then 2 really big circles. Like that for his eyes. Okay, and that is gonna form the shape. So now if you get your pencil, and you literally just go, follow the outline only. Can you see how that would look like how he looks like a frog? So that's a frog's face. And we're gonna give the frog, should we give him a crown? Just in case he's lucky enough to get a princess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just a little one, nothing too amazing. So his eyes are actually inside that. So 2 eyes. Now he looks quite grumpy because I made you do his shape. But we're going to make him a smiley frog. So his froggy smile is going to be all the way over here. Give him a little tongue. Blah, blah, blah. And a little M in the nose. So we're going to make his crown, and we're just going to put tiny little bubbles like so. So an M or a sideways 3. If you go this way, it's a sideways 3. And what we're going to do, what do frogs like eating? They like eating flies, don't they? So if we do a little body, 2 little eyes, and then 2 wings. That could be the fly that he's about to eat. So 2 little eyes, a body, and then his. Then when we go over it with the outline pen, we can go into more detail. And he's obviously trying to get the flies. Right, so for the body, this is the fun bit. Okay, so this is his eyes. And again, you can cut off the top of his eye to make an eyelid, like that, and then curve it round to make eyelashes. So did you know frogs can lay as many as 4,000 eggs in frog spawn? The eyes and a the eyes and a nose of a frog are on the top of his head so it can breathe and see when most of its body is underwater. And frogs have long back legs and webbed feet for jumping. But our frog has got fingers, so we're going to do his body. So I want you to do a nice curve coming down on both ends. Okay, and that's going to be the outside. So then a curve going all the way around. And that's going to be Froggy's. And then to do his fingers, because he's kind of just hanging out. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's his fingers. And same on the other side. 2, 3, 5. And then just make sure they don't look abnormal. So we're going to make sure the curve is going down like that. And then halfway through, well not halfway through, about a third down, we're gonna do his knees. So they're gonna come out like that. And then literally, they're gonna fall into, so his knees. And then his legs. So his legs we're still gonna make webbed, right? So you don't want too big because we don't have to worry about the back bit and stuff. So 1, 2, 3. And on this side, 1, 2, 3. Like so, and there we have it. And then just join the middle bit together, just up where the thumbs are, to form the body. And that is our frog with fingers. And if you really wanted to, you can add some nails in, because then he's actually got fingers, because the feet are going to be webbed, aren't they? So they're like, and there you have it. So now, did you know frogs absorb water through their skin, so they don't actually need to drink it? That's mad, isn't it? And certain frogs can jump up to 20 times their own body length in a single leap. Wow, I thought rabbits could jump high. Clearly frogs can, right? Okay, so the first thing we do is we do the outline of the face, okay? So tennis ball, circle, eyes, tennis ball, stop. Smile going all the way across, his tongue coming out, the rest of the face, and then big eyes, eyelashes, crown, 2, 3, 4, 5, add a jewel in the middle, actually look like a crown, her eyes or his eyes. A big circle, and then a little circle, sideways, 3, with the nose, that's the thumb. And then his knees. There's just 2 triangles on the side. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then joining that together, and then fingernails for the fingers, because our froggy has fingers. I'm just going to do the flies. So the flies have got 2 eyes, dot dot, a body, two eyes, dot dot, round circle for the body, and 2 wings. And there we have it. F is a frog with fingers. Hope you enjoyed that. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. Please tell your friends about it. Please tell your cousins about it. Please talk about it to your family. And the more likes and shares I get, the more people that get to see the videos. And I just think it's something nice for them to do. So if you have any requests, please do send them in, because I like to do things for you guys. And if there is anything, I've been told about Fortnite and Avengers, so watch this space. Now grab your colours and we're going to colour in our frogs. You can see that I added some squirrely patterns around the flies, and I added some circles, spots for the froggy's body, just to add some detail. But you can do whatever you want because it's your picture and you make it unique to you. See you tomorrow for the next letter. Bye.